Okay, it's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Uh, do you wear a watch?
No, because I don't like to wear the watch.
Good. Speak more. 4, 5 sentences.
Because first of all, I told you I don't like to wear the watch. I use if I need to check the time. I
Please
do.
speak in the mic.
If I need to check the time, I can ask someone, to my friend, to my brother, to my sister, shall I go? I have the watch in my homes, so I go there in my room and check the time.
All right. Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
Yes, one of my brother, he lived
One of
in
my brothers.
one of my brothers. He lived in UK. When came in the Pakistan, he bring me a watch.
He brought me.
He brought me a watch. Yeah, I like it very much, but I told you I didn't wear
Okay. Why do some people wear expensive watches?
because it's depend on her habits. I think they have lot of money, they buy it, they bought it, and they can.
Okay, so
And
you need to see the tense of the question. For example, why do some people wear expensive watches? Present simple tense, right?
what?
First form of the verb should be used, right? Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to buy any smartwatch which can be connected with your mobile phone?
Yes, I want to buy a smartwatch
Okay, why?
because mostly use our we put our cell phone in in pocket, and when we receive the call, we are sometimes we are driving, we can't take out the mobile from pocket. Simply I check my smartwatch, who
Okay,
is calling me. If I
all right, that's good. Thank you. Do you think people will wear watches in the future?
sorry,
Do you think people will wear watches in the future?
I don't think so, because everybody have a mobile cell phone, and they can check easily time in his cell phone.
Okay.
So I
All right. So at
don't
the
think so.
moment, you need to focus the question. Number one. Number two, try to be more talkative. Your answer should contain 5 to 6 sentences and it'll be good. Okay. Overall, fine, but you need to practice. Right. Thank you. Next one, please. Okay. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports, mainly cricket, badminton, and hockey.
All right. There is no conclusion. Badminton, cricket, hockey. I like that. You need to conclude your answer
Okay, sir.
and never talk about 3 to 4 things like that.
Okay.
First of all, I love cricket
Okay, sir.
and I enjoy watching cricket. Secondly, I like hockey. But this is less common game. And finally, I'm also keen on football. So these are the games that I love to watch and play. Proper answer.
Okay,
You
sir.
want good, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you have got to do it. What was your favorite sport in your childhood?
My favorite sport in my childhood
Is
was cricket.
yeah, it was cricket.
Was cricket because I play at weekends.
I used
I
to play
used to
on the
on
weekends.
the weekends.
This is what examiner wants to
Yes.
check.
Okay.
That my tense is present, past, or future. His answer is only present.
Okay, sir.
Okay? All right. Would you like to participate in any game in the future?
Yes, I want to. I want to participate in badminton game because nowadays I play regularly badminton. So I want to participate in badminton.
Okay. Do you think children should play sports?
Yes, because sports are physically healthy games for children. So uh, children should play games.
All right. Your answers are fine, but you need to elaborate
Okay, sir.
further and focus the tense.
Okay, sir.
Tenses in part one,
The-
they only check your 3 tenses present, past, future, and
Yes.
then they check present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you. Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to live in an old building or a modern house?
I prefer old buildings because I love antique things, and I enjoy very well there.
I enjoy there very
Very.
much. Okay. All right. Are there any old buildings in your hometown?
Yes, there are lots of old building in my hometown. I live in Okada, and there are lots of ancient buildings and lots of tombs and etc. are
Okay.
located in.
Do you think we should preserve historical buildings?
Um,
Do
can,
you think we should take care of historical buildings?
yes, of course, we should take care of the old buildings because lots of there are lots of histories, and all the peoples have go there and visit and read the histories of all
Okay, there
buildings.
should be proper ending, okay? And you should have at least one idea to elaborate on. And that one idea is more than enough. Okay, thank you so much.